In our previous video, we explored the power of healthy fats and how they contribute to our overall well-being. If you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to check it out for valuable insights on incorporating healthy fats into your diet. Today, we're shifting our focus to another essential component of a balanced diet: smart carbohydrates. Now, when it comes to carbohydrates, it's important to make smart choices that nourish our bodies and provide sustainable energy throughout the day. Instead of avoiding carbs altogether, we should focus on incorporating gluten-free, whole grains, and fiber-rich foods into our meals. Gluten-free whole grains such as millet, quinoa, brown rice, oats, and cassava tortillas are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, fibers, vitamins, and minerals. They provide steady energy, support digestion, and help regulate blood sugar levels. By choosing whole grains, we can enjoy the benefits of sustained energy release and a feeling of fullness, all while nourishing our bodies with essential nutrients. Fiber-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts are also key players in a smart carbohydrate approach. Fiber not only aids in digestion, but also supports satiety, helping us feel satisfied after our meals. It supports a healthy gut biome, aids in weight management, and can even reduce the risk of chronic disease such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So let's embrace the power of fiber by incorporating a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, beans, grains, seeds, and nuts into our daily meals. Now that we understand the importance of smart carbohydrates, let's explore some delicious and nutrient-packed options. Millet is lectin-free and alkaline in nature, while quinoa, with its 9 essential amino acids, has a nutty flavor and a versatile nature. Both are fantastic whole grains that can be used in salads, stir fries, or as a side dish. Brown rice is also packed with fiber and essential nutrients. It's a wonderful alternative to white rice. And when it comes to bread and pasta, opt for gluten-free option varieties or sourdough that retain the nutritious bran and germ, providing more fiber and nutrients compared to their refined counterparts. Now, when it comes to fiber-rich foods, aim for about 35 grams of fiber a day by including a colorful array of fruits and vegetables into your meals. Berries, leafy greens, bell peppers, and legumes are excellent choices. Now, don't forget about adding a handful of nuts and seeds to your snacks or as a topping for salads and yogurt. These small additions can make a big difference in your overall fiber intake. Choosing smart carbohydrates means opting for gluten-free grains and fiber-rich foods. Incorporate these nutrient-dense options into your meals so you'll enjoy sustained energy, good digestion, and promote overall well-being. Now, if you found this information valuable and want to delve deeper into the world of smart carbohydrates and discover practical ways to incorporate them into your meals, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. You'll find a wealth of videos, recipes, and tips to help you make informed choices for your health. To stay connected and receive daily inspiration, expert advice, and join a community of health-conscious individuals, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Let's continue our journey of nourishing our bodies and minds with smart carbohydrates. Lastly, I encourage you to share this video with anyone you think that would benefit from understanding the importance of choosing whole grains and fiber-rich foods. By spreading the knowledge, we can empower others to make informed choices and improve their overall well-being. Thank you for being part of our health-conscious community. Together, we can make smart choices for a healthier, happier life. And remember, when it comes to having pasta and high complex carbohydrates, portion is essential. So here I have some gluten-free pasta with loads of mushrooms, some langoustine and clams with a little bit of pesto sauce, surrounded by some salad, and again, all about 24 carbohydrates, so it's still in the low carb range, and about 4 grams of fiber. So enjoy working on fiber and see how fantastic your belly and your mind are going to feel. Have a great day.